The Robocraft project is a 3-year collaboration between the University of Calgary, SAPL, the School of Architecture, Planning and Landscape, and the City of Calgary. The idea of Robocraft is to explore robotic manufacturing in a downtown city scenario. It's an arm, so it's basically like our arm, right? So you can put at the end of the arm whatever you will use with your hand. We have used them for wood milling, for chainsaw milling, 3D printing, for hot wire cutting, for painting. So how can we produce things that the city needs, not only like urban furniture, but like pavers, like make the city more accessible. By doing that, can we create other jobs? Can we upskill people? Can we avoid carbon footprint of bringing things from abroad, of importing? When we talk about digital fabrication, about robotics, about machines, there is a bit of a veil of inaccessibility, of like, oh, that can only be done in a university or in a lab. We want to remove that barrier. The City of Calgary was opening the Wave Technology Center, which is a center for innovation, for research, for discovery. And then one of the ideas is, can we actually have a large robot arm on the Wave?
The Wave Tech Center is a sandbox for creativity, for experimentation, and for getting hands-on with new technology. So you wouldn't buy a new car without taking it for a test drive. Yet that happens all the time with companies and institutions. We don't have that pathway to experiment, so we go right to purchasing, and oftentimes it's not the perfect solution, so you end up going out to market again. So this is meant to be a place where we can make informed decisions. Let's try out different headset technology and VR technology. Let's try out Robocraft and different applications before we go and make a major investment in it. The opportunity for the city to collaborate with U Calgary and other post-secondary institutions on projects like Robocraft is really amazing. We access cutting-edge research, we access amazing students and help them become part of our great city. And the university gets the opportunity to work on real-world problems so that we can experiment and understand what our future potential of this technology is.